Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about music and want to take your DJing skills to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best DJ music mixer apps available for Android that allow you to mix tracks, add effects, and create seamless music blends right from your device. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, these apps offer great features to enhance your DJing experience. Let's get into it. DJ Music Mixer app. DJ Music Mixer app is a powerful tool designed for both beginner and experienced DJs. The app features a user-friendly interface that allows users to mix tracks seamlessly, providing access to a wide range of features such as beat matching, tempo control, and sound effects. Users can load multiple tracks and use the professional mixer to create smooth transitions between songs. The app also supports various audio formats, enabling the remixing of music from different sources. Additionally, users can record their mixes and share them directly on social media platforms, making it an excellent choice for those wanting to showcase their DJ skills. DiscDJ Music Mixer. DiscDJ Music Mixer is an intuitive app that caters to aspiring DJs who want to create their mixes on the go. Featuring a visually appealing interface, this app allows users to load their favorite songs and incorporate various effects and filters to enhance their music. Users can access features such as a 4-channel mixer, looping, and scratching, providing a comprehensive DJ experience. The app also offers a built-in sound library, allowing users to add beats and samples to their mixes. With its straightforward controls and creative features, DiscDJ is perfect for those wanting to explore their passion for mixing music. DiscDJ 3D Music Player. DiscDJ 3D Music Player takes the DJ experience to the next level with its unique 3D interface and features. It combines music playback with advanced mixing capabilities, allowing users to mix tracks using realistic DJ controls. The app provides an array of features, such as pitch bending, EQ settings, and sound effects, ensuring a versatile mixing experience. Users can create playlists, record their mixes, and even sync tracks with their camera roll. The stunning 3D visualizations add an immersive element, making it fun for users to perform and share mixes. This app is an excellent choice for those who want a visually striking DJ mixer with robust functionality. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best DJ music mixer apps helps you find the perfect tool to unleash your creativity and mix like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more music tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.